In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the Valorant cannot be launched error. Now if you get this error, it's usually because of your compatibility settings. So what you have to do is search for Valorant, right click and open the file location, then do it once again, and this will take you to the right folder. In here select right client, properties, compatibility, and make sure this is unchecked. And you want to check these two, apply and OK. Then go back, select Valorant, live. Then you want to do it for this one as well, just like this, uncheck, double check. Then you want to head into shooter game, binaries, Windows, and then you want to find this one, Valorant shipping.exe, and just let it load for a little bit. And once this is done loading, I don't know why it's taking so long, then you want to do the same from this one. Once you've done that on all three, just launch it and see if that works. If for some reason it's still not working, stay in this folder, come here, properties, compatibility, and then try and check this one and do Windows 8, apply and OK, and see if that works. Now once you've done all of this, it should hopefully work. Otherwise, the last solution is to reinstall the game. Now I really hope you enjoyed the short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.